Wrap installation. Begin by measuring and cutting the vinyl wrap material to fit each panel of the car. Carefully apply the wrap, ensuring it aligns correctly and smoothly adheres to the surface. Use a heat gun or similar tool to contour the wrap around curves and edges for a seamless finish. Trimming and tucking. Trim excess vinyl and tuck it into gaps or recessed areas using appropriate tools. This step helps achieve a clean and finished appearance.